What's up, Grant? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So I'm going to take a quick look at your website, see what's going on, and see what we can do. Now, I did get permission to send this over from the young woman who answered the phone earlier, um, but we'll see what's going on. So right off the bat, I like the name San Diego Painting Company. Obviously, that's going to help you stand out. But we paint 619. We paint. So 619 does let everyone know it's local. Um, and it is a click to call, so excellent job on that one. Free estimates, locations, good. You're doing great with that. And it's a drop down menu, perfect. Yeah, no, great. You did everything great. Only thing I'm now a little annoyed about is the fact that this doesn't leave. Now you do have a blog, which is fine, but this should not stay with me the entire time. So what you can do in order to fix that is you can move this here as well, and move that here, and then just have it where it's just you lose out on like what 2.5 inches or something. Anyway, reliable and professional painting services. Your top rate residential commercial painting services in San Diego. Get a free estimate. Excellent. We're the painting company in San Diego. Perfect. Start with a free estimate. Nothing wrong with that. Doing well. Our services, interior, exterior, commercial painters. Excellent. Okay, so a lot of people don't talk about what they offer. You do, and that's going to set you apart from a lot of people. The painting company San Diego offers for you years of our professional experience. Great flexible schedules, clean work areas, proven reliability, who you work with, and our kind of, um, God, what do I don't even know. I can't find the words, but yes, who you're associated with. Cabinet repainting professionals, choose in paint. Da, da, da. All right, nope, solid overall. Not really going to say much about it. You're not talking a lot about every service you offer. You would want to do that. Content, you can do a lot with content. A lot of people don't realize that. So the more content you have, the better. Plus, it lets you get a lot more keywords on your website. But overall, actually, I do want to test something out because, like I said, you do have a decent thing going on over here. I'm just going to check out and see just how kitchen cabinet repainting. Excellent. Okay, so you had somebody really good look at this one. Um, Otherwise, painting company, you those wouldn't be labeled the way they are. I mean, let's see what this one's labeled as. Come on, download. Oh, okay. Never mind. You got lucky on one. Anyway, we're gonna take a look at the back end, see how Google kind of rates you, and see what's going on over here. So a UR rating is 29. That's how much Google likes your website, and then a DR rating is 20, and that's how much Google actually likes you. Now you do have 545 backlinks. Now backlink is where you have your website link somewhere else where somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when it comes back to you. Now good ratio, like almost half of them actually do come back to you, a little less than half. You do have some organic keywords, about 1,600 of them with 872 traffic. I mean, the way I kind of look at it, it's a lot of this is probably going to be blog stuff. But let's take a look. Painting company, San Diego, excellent keyword over there. 300 volume, 105 traffic. Your position number 2. You are doing excellent with this one. Painting contractor, San Diego, 300. You're getting 44. You're getting 3. Honestly speaking, painting company in San Diego, 300, 42, 3. I don't even think I'm going to waste any more time here. You don't need help. Not from me. You're doing a great job. You guys are taking up a lot of the top spots. You're doing really well with this one. So I'm going to go ahead, give you 2 thumbs up, and I'm going to keep going on my very merry way. Okay. Painting company you didn't need. Going to be honest, you wouldn't get traffic from that anyway, not the traffic you want. But I got to be honest, Graham, um, probably one of my best things I've ever done in a while is send a whatever this is called, screencast, over to you, and you don't even need my help. You are doing an amazing job. Keep it up, and I hope everything works out really well for you guys. Bye.